Welcome to Dorman Products Split Brake Dust Shield installation video. Before you begin, this has been considered a moderate installation by our technicians. Suggested time of the installation is about 45 minutes per side. Tech note: our split brake dust shields come in two pieces, allowing you to replace without having to remove the wheel hub and axle shaft, saving you both time and money. Also note to keep all hardware. Some existing hardware will be used in the reinstallation. Begin the installation by removing the tire. Once the tire has been removed, loosen the caliper and securely set aside, ensuring it is not hanging from the brake line. Next, remove the rotor and parking brake hardware. Using a wrench, loosen the 4 bolts holding the dust shield to the knuckle. Now that the shield is free, cut the dust shield to remove from around the axle. Finally, line up and attach the new 2-piece dust shield. Be sure to reuse existing hardware and reinstall in the reverse order to complete the installation.